back to Blowing Tangent. In today's video, I am in Teak Museum in Kerala, in Nellambur. So yeah, and I wanted to do a vlog. This is the entrance, and we're gonna go in. Look at it; it's so beautiful. I love it. It's very beautiful. So we're going in. Look at that! Wow! It's near to the entrance. It starts from there. It starts from somewhere there. Okay, I can see it there. Starts from there to that end. That's so beautiful. Actually, I think it starts from there to that end. So that's very beautiful. Teak Museum. And that's also written in Malayalam. So guys, if I walk through the bridge, you can actually see this. So I'm walking through a bridge. So yeah, and it goes by the way to the end, somewhere there, and we can see that entrance stuff like that. It's really beautiful. Now I'm going to there, so I have to walk from here to there. There are these beautiful flowers. There's pink ones and red ones, and more pink ones. They're also beautiful. There's this place. I think it's a house. Look at this. Wow, we can go in here. It's so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Oh, two frogs are playing chess. Wow. That's so cute. Look at that. There's also fountains and they are playing, and that's so beautiful and cute. Look how high it goes. They are really concentrated, really concentrated on their chess. So there's this park place over there. If we want, we can go and play. Very beautiful. That's very nice, and we can take a U-turn and see the frogs playing chess. Wow, the park. And we can see this. Okay, let's see what it is written. Wow, nature park. Okay. There's some pots over here. My cousin is playing in the slide. We have a lot of plays. We have a big slide. We have these seesaws. I have my brother there and all of this. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna get on and slide. First let my cousin slide and boom! He's down. Okay, now I'm gonna go. I'll also be showing the face. Oh, hi! Yeah, and I reach here. It's a big slide. Now I'm gonna show you my face thingy, how I look on my face. Okay, go. Woo! That was pretty fun. Yeah. Also this stuffy. I think I'm gonna go on that too. It's gonna be pretty fun. Okay. I'm not gonna take the vlog on going up there because it's gonna be a little hot. So I'll see when I reach there. Okay, I'm here. And yeah, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show also my face. Oh, it's very small basically. I thought it's gonna be, a little more bigger, but it's basically very small. Woo! But very slippery, and I'm on the seesaw. Woo! With my friend. I mean my cousin. So now I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm not sure actually where, but I know that I'm going somewhere else. I'm gonna get out of this park. It's very nice park. So let's go. I'm going. Hi. It's so sweet. Okay. Look at the greenery. Oh, we're going to Flora diagram of an here. Okay. Look at the greenery. Wow, and it's so sunny. It's super duper sunny, but look at the greenery. It's so beautiful. Wow, we have a path here. And he is leading. Wow, there's a pond. There's a pond right over here. That's very nice. Very beautiful. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. There's a crocodile. Wow. Going into this tunnel. Wow. Beautiful. So we're going to go on that top. So let's go. So we're gonna go on top of this. Let's go. So we're going on top. You're gonna see the full view of this garden if you go on top of this, of the museum. Okay, I'm on top. Wow. Okay, let me go up. Wow. Look at this place. It's so beautiful. Now I'm getting into the real museum. Till now I was in a garden, so now I'm getting in the real museum. We have to remove our shoes. I'm removing it. I'm gonna keep it up. Okay, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna get the entrance. We're gonna get in. So there's this stuffy. Wow. This place is beautiful. It's this place. There's two sort of places basically. I can go in here if I want, like this place, and I can go up to the world. So I really want to go to that. After going here, we'll go up. So first, oh, there's this stuff. There's this hand. The future of Earth is in our hands to protect our mark. And there's a tree like that. There's a ship, photo of the ship, painting of the sailing ship. And there's this tree branch looking out, which is not real. It's not real. It's plastic, that's for sure. And there's this touch screen that I'm not allowed to touch. There.
116 years old teak tree.
116 years old teak tree. Wow. Let's see that. So I'm getting up. This is that tree. Wow. This is the teak tree. It's very long basically. It's very long. Look at that. It's so long. That's very nice. 116 years old. It's real, I think. I'm not sure. These are the soils or stuffies, like whatever. Teak family, laws, India, something. There's this stuff. I can go in. It's very beautiful. There's this stuff. These are very beautiful. Even I can get out from here. So, okay, now we are going up. So like I showed this place, I'm going to go up. I told after seeing the ground part, we'll go up. And now I'm going to go up. Wow. Oh, this is the place that I got in. Remember that place is the same place. Now there's more place to go up. There's this stuff made out of tree trunks and stuff. It's very nice. Easy chair. There's a central table. Roll top desk. Wow. Then there's these stuffs. There's these stuffs too with a swing kind of thingy. So there's a lot of things. There's also this place with this painting on. That looks beautiful. These stuffs. That looks also beautiful. Wow, wow, beautiful things, very, very beautiful. Oh, these big. Wow, look at those. These are really realistic. Wow. Well, okay, I don't know the name of it, but I have took a photo of it. My mom too. All of this is made with trees and tree branches and stuffies. It's very nice. Look at that. That's so cute. At the same time, funny. So guys, this is the end of my travel to the Teak Museum. Now I'm going back home. Hope you guys like this video. If you don't subscribe my channel, don't subscribe, to share this video and to smash that like button. Goodbye!